Here is a simple radio control Arduino communicating with another Arduino. And the point of this is that I am hoping to make a radio control magnetic boat. And hopefully in the spring I can sail that in the little duck pond. So this one is turned on and has a potentiometer. And when the potentiometer is turned to the left, the red light goes on. And when it's turned to the middle, both lights go off. And when it's turned to the right, the green light goes on. Now I'm going to plug in the receiver. This one is the receiver. And you're going to see both lights blink when it goes on. And the receiver should mimic, you see when the red light goes on the transmitter, the red light goes on the receiver. Then both lights are out, then both green lights are on. So it's transmitting from this transmitter, which is an NRF 24L01. And also I've used a little adapter made especially for it to regulate the voltage. So I got a lot of this information how to do this off a Dronebotworkshop or a Dronebotworkshop, and they're very good. That guy is very good. I really appreciate him doing all that work. And I believe he was one of the guys who programmed many of the Arduino libraries. And the Arduino library I'm using for this RC is called Radiohead. So you can look that up on the internet. The wiring looks complicated, but it's really pretty simple. One thing I had trouble with is getting the potentiometer to work, believe it or not. I had the potentiometer wired up to the 9-volt power supply, and it wouldn't work. So you want to make sure the potentiometer is wired up to the 5-volt on the Arduino. And these are two Arduino Nanos, and they're really cheap. All of this is really inexpensive. I got the radio control units for Christmas. So I got this much working, so to go from here to making the stepper motor turn, it shouldn't really be a big step, you know, a big jump. So that's all I want to show. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Give me a like and rumble.